Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, the Realme GT6 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant has been launched. It features the brightest AMOLED display in the world, a flagship Snapdragon processor, a Sony 50-megapixel flagship camera, a huge battery, fast charging, and many more exciting features. Friends, today I will be unboxing the Realme GT6 flagship phone and sharing my first impressions of this brand new release. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the Realme GT6 box. At the top, it mentions AI. Inside the box, we have a SIM ejector tool, user manual, data cable, 120-watt power adapter, and a black protective case. Let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design. Today, I'll share my first impressions of the Realme GT6, and tomorrow I'll upload a detailed review, so stay connected with our channel. This is the China variant of the Realme GT6, and it is a performance-oriented phone. This time, the phone comes with a flat screen. The back of the phone is made of glass, and at the bottom area, you can see moon soil textures, which are also present at the bottom of the camera module. The camera module is slightly bumpy. The phone's frame is made of aerospace aluminum. The back of the phone feels very smooth to the touch and is a bit glossy, so you'll see fingerprints. The phone has textures inspired by the dark side of the moon, giving you a magical feeling, like you're holding the moon. The phone also comes in two other color options, light year white and storm purple. When you hold the phone, it doesn't feel as heavy as a typical flagship phone. It weighs about 205 grams, so it feels decent in one hand. The Realme GT6 features a flagship display this time, a 6.78-inch AMOLED display from BOE. It's an S1 Plus flexible screen with a 1.5K resolution and 8.0 support. This time, the screen has the industry's highest local peak brightness of 6,000 nits, a global brightness of 1,600 nits, and a manual max brightness of 1,000 nits. It also features 2160 Hz PWM dimming, a hardware-level blue light filter, and various eye protection features. The screen uses flagship-level Dragon glass, which is very tough and has been drop-tested from 1.5 meters. Compared to ordinary glass, it has 160% more drop resistance and 3 times more scratch resistance. The screen also has a 2500 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate, providing next-level performance for gaming. So, the Realme GT6 comes with a flagship screen. In terms of performance, it features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor with an Antutu score of over 2.1 million. It also has a global ice-core cooling system, ensuring top-notch gaming performance. I'll share the gaming test results in tomorrow's detailed review video, so stay connected with our channel. Talking about the battery in the Realme GT6, it uses new technology, featuring the first concentrated energy battery. This means you get a higher density battery in less space. It has a huge 5800 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging support. It's also known as a silicon carbon anode battery. As for extra features, the phone uses a Sky communication system, making it the strongest mobile phone in terms of signal. Whether you're in an elevator or on the subway, you'll still get a full network signal. The Realme GT6 also comes with AI features. For the camera, it has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization and a secondary 8-megapixel Sony IMX344 ultra-wide camera. Additional features include an IR blaster, stereo speakers, an X-axis linear motor, and an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance. The highest variant of the Realme GT6 offers 1 terabyte of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. The price of the Realme GT6 starts at 2,799 Chinese yuan for the 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabyte storage variant in China, which converts to approximately £301 in the UK and $384 in the USA. Tomorrow, I'll upload a detailed review of the Realme GT6, where I'll cover gaming tests, camera tests, and battery tests. So stay connected with our channel. What do you think about the Realme GT6? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling and I'll see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.